Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Soundful login problems, credit and export errors step by step clearly. To begin fixing Soundful login problems, first, check your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Next, try restarting your device. This simple step can resolve many temporary issues. Now, open your browser and clear the cache and cookies. This can often resolve login problems caused by outdated data. After clearing the cache, attempt to log into your Soundful account again. If the issue persists, try using a different browser. Sometimes, browser compatibility can hinder the login process. Next, ensure your login credentials are correct. Double-check your email address and password for any typos. If you've forgotten your password, utilize the password reset feature. Follow the prompts to create a new password for your account. If you see a credit error, verify your payment method. Ensure that your credit card details are up to date and correctly entered. Also, check if there are any outstanding payments or billing issues. You may want to contact your bank to confirm that there are no restrictions on your account. For export errors, first, review the file format you're trying to export. Make sure the format is compatible with Soundful's export options. If you encounter any software glitches, try logging out and then back into your account. This can refresh your session and resolve minor bugs. If you're still facing difficulties, consider reaching out to Soundful's customer support. Provide them with detailed information about your login or export error. They can offer specific guidance tailored to your situation. Following these steps should help resolve your Soundful login and export issues effectively. Remember to stay patient as you go through the process. Most issues can be resolved with a bit of troubleshooting. Ultimately, a successful resolution will allow you to enjoy all the features Soundful offers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.